In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize your Asana projects and stay more organized. If you ever feel overwhelmed by a cluttered Asana workspace, this walkthrough will help you create a cleaner, more focused view so you only see what you actually need. We're going to use a few simple built-in features in Asana: collapsing categories, using favorites, and hiding the sidebar. Together, these can make a big difference in how calm and manageable your workspace feels. First, let's start with the sidebar on the left of your screen. This is where you see things like projects, teams, and other sections. When you have a lot going on, this column can get very long and busy. To minimize that visual noise, look for the small down arrow next to any sidebar category, like projects or teams. It usually looks like a tiny V icon. Click that down arrow. As soon as you do, it collapses that entire section. This means you won't see the full list of items inside it anymore, just the category heading. You can still expand it later with another click, but for now, collapsing sections you don't use all the time is a simple way to keep your sidebar neat and less distracting. Go through and collapse any categories that you only need occasionally. Next, let's make sure that the projects you do use frequently are easy to access. In your sidebar, find a project that you open almost every day. Hover over that project name, and you'll see a star icon appear next to it. Click the star icon. When you star a project, Asana automatically moves it into a special area called Favorites in your sidebar. This effectively promotes your most important work to the top, so you don't have to scroll or search every time. Take a moment to star all the projects you regularly use and leave the less important ones unstarred. That way, your Favorites section becomes your personal short list of active work. Finally, if you really want to focus on a single project or task without distractions, you can hide the sidebar altogether. Look to the very top left corner of Asana for the 3-line or hamburger icon. Click that icon, and the entire sidebar will slide away, giving you a much cleaner, full-width view of your current project. You can always click the same icon again to bring the sidebar back whenever you need to jump to another project or change your view. By collapsing categories, starring your key projects, and hiding the sidebar when you need deep focus, you'll keep Asana streamlined, reduce visual clutter, and stay much more organized in your day-to-day work.